take a look at this problem about a young lady who owns a catering company. If you don't know what a catering company is, it's just a food company where a person can order large quantities of food and it's delivered by someone called a caterer. So Katie owns a catering company. She shops at a kitchen supply store. A kitchen supply store is just a fancy store and it only has supplies for kitchens. That's all they sell. She bought 3 mixers for $74.25 each and 2 pans for $26 each. She had a $10 off coupon that she used when she paid. How much did she spend at the kitchen supply store? So there's a couple of things we need to think about here, okay? The question asks us, how much did she spend at the kitchen supply store? I'd like for you to take just a moment to brainstorm exactly how do you think we should solve this problem. Take just a second to think about that. So then it goes on to say that she bought 3 mixers for $74. So 3 mixers for $74.25. And then she bought 2 pans for $26. And she had a $10 off coupon. I don't know about you, but I love coupons. Coupons are great. That means that we get a discount, right? That means that we get to take money off of the price. So a coupon means a discount. And a discount means that we get to pay less, right? So I have an equation here that I have written down. Notice that there are parentheses and there are brackets, okay? So I want you to think for just a second, how would we solve this? Where do we start? Well, hopefully you're thinking back to the order of operations, okay? Hopefully you're thinking back to order of operations and you're thinking about what we're gonna do first, okay? So in the order of operations, it says we wanna take care of parentheses and brackets first. Well, it's obvious you can see that we have both, right? So I wanna draw your attention to something. Do you see how $74.25 is written inside of these parentheses and then there's nothing else with it? Do you see how this 3 is just sitting outside of these parentheses? This signals to you as the mathematician, this means 3 times $74.25. When you don't see a sign, a multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction sign between a number and parentheses, that immediately means that you multiply. This means 3 times $74.25. Likewise, there's a 2 right outside of these parentheses, and it's just sitting there, and there's not a sign between the 2 and the opening of the parentheses. Again, guys, that just simply means that we're multiplying, okay? So in this case, this means that we can take care of this first. So this actually means that we can multiply 3 times $74.25. So actually, I am going to cheat a little bit and use my, calculator. So we have 3 times $74.25. So that gives us a total of, in this case, $222.75. And I'm going to keep this addition sign here. So now I have 2 times 26. 2 times 26 gives us $52. So now we have eliminated both the parentheses and the brackets. We've taken care of all of this inside, okay? Now I'm left with this little part with subtraction. So now when we think back to our order of operations, thinking back, we have eliminated our parentheses and brackets, okay? We no longer have any more multiplication or division to solve in this case. Okay, only addition and subtraction. Well, in this case, we have addition and subtraction here, don't we? The question is, what do we do first? Let's look at our steps. Addition or subtraction in order from left to right. So I need to read the equation from left to right. And from left to right, I can see that I have addition that needs to be done. So I'm going to add $222.75 plus $52. $222.75 plus $52. And I get a total of $274.75. But let's not forget about this awesome discount, right? That is awesome. Well, because that's easy, it's just 10 bucks. I can easily take that away. So instead of $274, it's just going to be $264.75. Ends up being our final answer. Okay? And you can see how we didn't miss a single beat. It's almost like we narrow the problem down as we go. Boys and girls, don't forget to write down every single step of the problem. I know that there are going to be some simpler problems that you're going to deal with, and kids a lot of times forget to write each step. No matter what, write each step. It's super, super, super important. So in the next few activities that you're going to be doing, you're going to be working similar problems. Keep in mind your order of operations. Hopefully you have already written this down or copied this down in your math journals. And I hope that you pull this up to use to solve the problems in the next few activities.